Today's video, we are going to be pissing off the Porsche folks. Let's go! The plan is to cut down this 55 Chevy truck dash and fit it onto the Porsche body. Before anybody gets seriously mad, this is just a fiberglass Porsche body. They used them for racing and stuff. Some people might call it a kit car. I don't really call it a kit car because it also uses stock panels. It's so exact you can use stock panels, stock trunk, stock hood, stock doors, all the stock shit, but it's all fiberglass. So I have a open dash. I was looking for Porsche dashes and they run about $1,000. I'm not paying that, obviously, especially when I have a perfectly good Chevy dash right here. What's cool is I realized this curve right here is actually really close to this one. It's not exact, but it's a lot closer than I thought it was going to be. I am going to have to take probably a foot out of the center of the dash. I don't know where I'm going to take the foot out yet, but most likely to be out of the center of it. But I got to cut it down quite a bit. So let's get going and see if we can't make it look all right.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth